welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of social media, entertainment and of course Bollywood. अब good news ये है that धीरे-धीरे films की shooting resume हो रही है, of course under strict safety guidelines, but films will finally now complete and you will get to see your favorite films you've been waiting for very soon. Let's also hope and pray that theaters को reopen किया जाए when it's safe and hopefully Bollywood can then breathe a sigh of relief. On that good note, let's begin today's episode of Planet Bollywood. कंगना रनौत स्टारर थलाइवी के मेकर्स फिल्म की रिलीज के लिए मूवी थिएटर्स के रीओपन होने का करेंगे इंतजार। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कॉलीग्स के साथ फ्रेंडशिप और 2 फीमेल लीड्स फिल्मों में काम करने के बारे में क्या है अनन्या पांडे के थॉट्स। फैमिली के साथ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन के बाद सोनम जिम में बर्न कर रही है एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज। क्या शेरशाह के को-स्टार सिद्धार्थ और कियारा कर रहे हैं लॉकडाउन में एक दूसरे को मिस। भले ही दूसरी फिल्म ओटीटी रिलीज को कंसिडर कर रही हो, लेकिन कंगना रनौत की नेक्स्ट फिल्म थलाइवी will wait for as long as it takes to make sure they get a theatrical release. लगता है the makers and Kangna don't want to take any panga, as the film is based on a big public figure and has been mounted on huge and large and lavish sets. We just hope, Kangna, that it's not a long wait and the film is worth the wait. We already know at least 3 highly anticipated films of 2020 which are now releasing on OTT platforms. Gulabo Sitabo, Shakuntala Devi, Human Computer and Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl. There are rumors of many more being in discussions with OTT platforms for an online release as theatres remain closed indefinitely. Except Kangna's film Thalaivi, which will only release in a theatre according to the makers. Kangna and the producers have decided to wait till theatres open, and even if it takes long, they will wait, but not let the film's visual scale be impacted by releasing on a small screen. Refuting rumors that the film was heading for an online release, the makers clarified that all reports of an online release were false. The film has been mounted on a large scale with hundreds of extra and huge sets, so a theatrical release alone can do it justice. In fact, in an interview earlier, Kangna has shared that while some of her other films like Panga might be suitable for an OTT release because of the story and scale, movies like Thalaivi and Manikarnika were only suited for a big screen release. Parts of Thalaivi have to still be filmed as well, and only after restrictions lift can the film be completed. So it may all work out well for the star, for whom Thalaivi is one of her biggest projects so far.
Whenever I'm in a relationship, I will share it with the media if I feel, I want to.
This lockdown has separated many प्यार के पंछीज, और वो एक दूसरे के छतों पे ना सही, लेकिन एक दूसरे के चैटों पे जरूर नजर आते हैं on social media. Now, Siddharth Malhotra, who's rumored to be dating Kiara Advani, may have not given us any official news by confirming of them being a couple, लेकिन recently वो नजर आए Kiara Advani के live chat पर which she was having recently, and we also learned that he has a very cute nickname for her. Let's find out.
Yeah, there have been so many rumors about you and Siddharth. Please, Kev, if you want to clarify it, he's been blushing when you mention your name as well in few videos.
Honestly, whenever I'm in a relationship, I will share it with the media if I feel, I want to.
Rumor has it that Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani are more than just good friends.
But right now, my focus is on my career and on work, and I think that's how it should be. So I'm in a relationship with my job right now, and I'm loving this relationship.
And while neither of them have confirmed that they are dating or in love, their social media interaction is giving us plenty of hints. While both the supposed lovebirds are spending the quarantine separately, they are using their interactions with fans to hint about their special bond.
Thanks, Siddharth Malhotra. I hope you've been watching this entire chat. Malhotra hasn't watched his movie, it's sure said.
Siddharth Malhotra was asked during an interactive session with his fans on social media about the one word that comes to his mind when he thinks about Kiara Advani. Siddharth replied, Sher Shah, which is the name of his upcoming film with Kiara, which is based on the life of Captain Vikram Batra, who died in the Kargil war and received the Paramvir Chakra posthumously. While this may be a good politically correct answer, we are not sure if the title of their next film has also become a nickname for Kiara, and his response was an inside joke meant to get his lady love's attention. On an earlier occasion when Kiara was conducting a live session on her social media page, Siddharth made a special appearance and dropped a sweet comment. Thank you for this lovely chat. Kiara Siddharth ka comment dekh ke sharmai and replied, Thanks Siddharth Malhotra, I hope you've been watching this entire chat.
Thanks, Siddharth Malhotra. I hope you've been watching this entire chat. Malhotra hasn't watched his movie, it's sure said.
According to some sources, the duo even celebrated New Year's Eve together last year and were together in Africa. दोनों ने कोई couple snap post नहीं किया, but their social media feeds gave away the secret of them being together or in suspiciously similar locations. While there is no news about whether Sher Shah will have an online release, given it was supposed to release in July this year, लगता है सिद्धार्थ और कियारा की love story is going strong and hopefully will be official soon. दिल्ली की बेकरी से वीगन और ग्लूटेन फ्री केक एंजॉय करने के बाद सोनम कपूर एंजॉयड मल्टीपल केक्स इन मुंबई ऑन हर बर्थडे. लेकिन पेट पूजा के बाद शी डिसाइडेड टू वर्क ऑफ ऑल द डिलीशियस फूड शी हैड कंज्यूम्ड बाय वर्किंग आउट इन हर हाउस जिम विद हर हस्बैंड आनंद आहूजा, हु सीक्रेटली मैनेज्ड टू ग्रैब अ वीडियो ऑफ सोनम कपूर सिंगिंग. जहां उनके फैंस की बात है, दे एब्सोल्युटली एंजॉयड सोनम कपूर्स कैंडिड मोमेंट, लेकिन लगता है उनके हस्बैंड को इस डेयरिंग बिहेवियर के लिए बहुत महंगी कीमत चुकानी पड़ी. After spending many months in Delhi to follow the rules of the lockdown, Sonam has finally come back to Mumbai and is soaking in all the love from her sister and parents, who had a grand in-house celebration for her 35th birthday. And from what we saw online, several cakes were cut and there was yummy dinner as well. But after enjoying a delicious birthday meal with her family and many slices of cake, like a true blue fashionista, she was back in the gym the next day, burning off all the extra calories while she hummed to her favorite music. Lekin Sonam was in for a surprise when husband Anand Ahuja, who has accompanied her to Mumbai, took a video of her on the treadmill singing and working out and posted the clip on social media. Captioning the video, "My entire world, Sonam Kapoor. Happy birthday month. PS, that's your playlist, Rhea Kapoor." आनंद ने अपनी वाइफ को belated birthday surprise दिया and we were pleasantly surprised to see Sonam singing so melodiously. And we must say, Rhea Kapoor has a great taste in music. As soon as she realized what her darling hubby had done, Sonam the wife was not amused at all and left a comment on Anand's post which said, "How can you take this video of me and post it?" बेचारे आनंद, लगता है इस गुस्ताखी की कीमत और थोड़े प्रेजेंस के साथ ही पूरी की जा सकती है. Earlier, after her midnight celebrations, Sonam had shared a special post for her husband, thanking him for being able to be with her family and called him her blessing. पर आनंद ने ये शरारत करके अपनी बीवी में बनाया इंप्रेशन बिगाड़ दिया है. आनंद जी, अपनी वाइफ के परमिशन के बिना उनके फोटोज और वीडियोस पोस्ट करना संगीन जुर्म है. सजा भुगतने के लिए रेडी रहिए. With guidelines in place to resume shooting under safe conditions, लगता है John Abraham will get to flex his muscles quite literally very soon. सुनने में आया है that John and Imran will resume the filming of Mumbai Saga, which was nearing its completion when the lockdown was enforced. The film will be shot in Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad क्योंकि वहाँ के facilities बेहतर है and will also ensure the safety of the crew members as well. After many anxious nights wondering कि उनकी फिल्म कैसे कंप्लीट होगी, John Abraham and Imran Hashmi will be back on the sets of their film Mumbai Saga very soon. The film also stars Sunil Shetty, Jackie Shroff and Gulshan Grover. In fact, the film was nearing completion and had a release date set for June when the lockdown abruptly brought work to a standstill. The cast and crew were filming a crucial portion of the film in Mumbai when all shoots were stopped, and after a break of several months, the cast and crew will travel to Hyderabad to complete the film's remaining portion at Ramoji Film City, where the government has made all the necessary arrangements and taken precautions. Reportedly, only 10 to 12 days of shoot remain, and shooting in Hyderabad will allow an in-house crew and provide sanitized accommodation to the actors, which will minimize the risk of exposure. Lockdown के दौरान भी the VFX and post-production teams have been working non-stop from home to try and save time later. But the makers say they will still need about 4 months to complete the entire post-production after they complete the shoot in Hyderabad. Sanjay Gupta, who is directing the film and has directed other action thrillers and gangster dramas like Kate and Shootout at Wadala, has shared in an interview that Mumbai Saga is a paisa vasool action thriller, and the team has worked very hard to bring it to audiences battling all the issues the industry is facing right now. The makers of the film are also happy that with the central and state governments supporting filmmakers, films which were left incomplete can finally finish shooting and hopefully get a theatrical release soon. Kriti Sanon in a recent interview has shared that she will never take her busy routine and heading to a shoot for granted. The tall and gorgeous Kriti has confessed that initially she enjoyed the unexpected break and got lots of rest at home. but is now itching to get back to work. Only this time with tremendous sense of gratitude, and she knows that she will enjoy working this time a lot more. Kriti Sanon has 2 films in the pipeline, Mimi and Bachchan Pandey. But the actor has been at home like the rest of us for the past 3 months almost. All shoots were stalled and movie theatres still remain closed. But Kriti, like many of her colleagues, has used this time to explore new hobbies and pick up skill like poetry writing and cooking.
So this is quinoa chicken biryani. This is raita with cucumber and pomegranate. And this is the chef.
But in spite of finding multiple ways to stay busy, Kriti is really missing work and can't wait to be back on sets again. With shoots slowly resuming under strict guidelines, it looks Kriti may also be back on a movie set soon. Speaking to a newspaper publication, Kriti said, "For the first month or so, I was really chilling. But honestly, I now miss being on the sets and going through my normal daily routine." She also added that while she understands how much difficulty the lockdown has created for people, causing loss of jobs and incomes, the only positive has been an eternally busy, noisy city like Mumbai being calm and quiet for a change. Like many of us, she says, she also often loses track of what day and date it is. But if sources are to be believed, she may be back on the sets of Bachchan Pandey soon alongside Akshay Kumar, Rajkumar Rao, Dimple Kapadia and Paresh Rawal. Speaking about how she will approach this new normal and starting work again, Kriti said, "Whenever I start working again, I guess I will value that a lot and also enjoy it much more." आप ठीक कह रही है कृति. We don't think any of us will ever take having a home, food and a job for granted again. And will have a newfound appreciation for these small blessings in our lives. In a recent interview, newbie Ananya Pandey had a very mature and interesting reply to give when asked about working in films with more than one female lead and being friends with your co-stars. जिस पर अनन्या ने कहा that it's absolutely possible to be friends with your female co-stars and contemporaries as there are plenty of opportunities for everyone and great scripts being written every day. तो सबको बेझिझक दोस्ती कर लेनी चाहिए. Ananya Pandey is just 2 films old in Bollywood, but it looks like she has got her priorities right. The young star, who has more than one female co-star in both her films, Tara in Student of the Year 2 and Bhumi Pednekar in Pati Patni Aur Wo, spoke about being friends with her colleagues from the industry, doing films in the future with 2 female leads and gender equality in the industry. Ananya, who has quite a few exciting projects in her kitty, has worked quite comfortably with another leading lady, giving her company. And unlike the olden days, jahan we heard of cold wars and insecurities between female actors in Bollywood, Ananya has been on great terms with her colleagues in the industry. In fact, in a recent interview, Ananya shared that it is definitely possible for 2 leading ladies to be friends and work together respectfully. Ananya, in her own good words, is on good terms with her contemporaries including Janhvi Kapoor, Tara Sutaria and Alia Bhatt, and has in fact chosen another project where she will be sharing screen space with Deepika Padukone. In fact, according to the young star, she feels that it's a great time in Bollywood because a lot of great roles are being written for women and a variety of different films are being made so everyone has a chance to excel and get opportunities. Ananya is also super excited about her upcoming project with Shakun Batra, Deepika Padukone and Siddhant Chaturvedi. And while the team has been unable to start filming, she feels it will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience for her. We love your positive attitude, Ananya. Maybe young stars like you will rewrite the old rules of rivalry in Bollywood. Planet Bollywood पर लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while with some more stories for you. The lockdown has meant that Janhvi Kapoor's next film, which is based on an Indian Air Force pilot, will make its landing straight on an OTT platform. Janhvi Kapoor, who plays the character of Gunjan Saxena, shared the post of the real Gunjan Saxena, whose bravery inspired the film. The real Gunjan Saxena appreciated the teaser and said that it has been a great 3-year journey working with the team behind the film. Janhvi Kapoor, who had shared the teaser, thanked the former Indian Air Force officer and hoped that they can make her proud. Janhvi Kapoor was looking forward to a second film after Dhadak to release on a big screen after being in the making for almost 2 years. लेकिन वक्त और किस्मत को कुछ और ही मंजूर था. After a lot of speculations, we now know that Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl, will now be releasing on an OTT platform. And the makers and cast of the film shared the teaser of this biopic on their social media pages recently. The real Gunjan Saxena was the first female Indian Air Force pilot in a combat zone and flew Cheetah helicopter during the Kargil war. The film is reported to be based on a 1999 news report that featured Gunjan Saxena and Sri Vidya Rajan, who became the first female combat aviators. After the film's teaser released, former IAF officer Gunjan Saxena, जिनकी जिंदगी पे ये biopic based है, took to social media to share her reaction to the teaser. She wrote, "Very rarely have old memories flashed in front of me in such a sweet manner as was experienced after watching my montage with voiceover of Janhvi Kapoor. I guess it is time for the culmination of an enriching journey which started with Sharan Sharma 3 years back. And what a journey it has been with Sharan. Remembering her memories as a pilot, Gunjan ji wrote, During my tenure in Indian Air Force, whatever little I could achieve was with the help of men and women in blue uniforms." Janhvi Kapoor, who plays Gunjan Saxena in the film, shared a screenshot of her post and wrote a sweet caption to thank the woman whose life has inspired the film. "It's an honor to know you, let alone have the privilege to be able to understand your journey and share it with the world. Hope we make you proud, Gunjan ma'am." We are sure you will, Janhvi, क्योंकि जब कहानी इतनी इंस्पिरेशनल हो तो लोगों के दिलों पे जरूर असर करेगी. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our social media handle and digital platform. For now, this is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off. You guys have a great weekend, but promise me that you're going to be safe and at home. Bye-bye.